This image was generated in under 30 seconds, using AI, a text prompt, and real customer review data. No photographer, no studio, no Photoshop. In this video, I'll show you exactly how step by step. The image generator has two ways to work. Mode 1, you connect a product from your catalog, and it pulls in your existing images, customer reviews, and SEO data to guide the AI. Mode 2, standalone mode. Pure creative freedom. Just your prompt and any reference images you upload. Let's start with the fast one. Now we're in standalone mode. Perfect if you just want to experiment or you don't have the product in your catalog yet. First tip, don't start from a blank prompt. Pick a template. It gives you a professional starting point. I'll go with lifestyle shot. Now I'll upload a reference image. This tells the AI what my product actually looks like. You can upload up to 10 images, max 25 MB each. I'll refine the prompt a bit, add some detail about lighting and background. Then I pick my aspect ratio, 16:9 for a wide hero banner, and set quality to 2K for a good balance of speed and resolution. Hit generate, and there it is. About 30 seconds for a professional looking lifestyle shot, no designer needed. Now let's do it the smart way. I'll select a product from my catalog and watch what happens. My existing Amazon images are automatically loaded as references. But here's the real power. The tool analyzes your customer reviews and extracts the topics people actually care about. Each row shows how often a topic is mentioned and whether your current images already cover it or not. See these gaps? That's where we can create images that directly address what customers are asking about. Based on those insights, the AI pre-writes a prompt for you. It already knows your product, your reviews, and what's missing. You can edit it or combine it with a template, totally up to you. Your product images from Amazon are already here. No uploading needed. The AI uses them to keep your branding consistent. You can add more reference images if you want, then generate. And this time, the result isn't just pretty, it's strategic. It visually covers a topic your customers care about, but your current listing doesn't show. That's the difference between decorating and optimizing. 3 quick tips before you go. 1. Use 1K quality for fast iterations. Then regenerate your best result in 2K. 2. Portrait 916 is perfect for Amazon A+ content modules. 3. The more specific your prompt, the better the result. Describe lighting, angle, and mood, not just product on table. From a blank canvas to data-driven product images in minutes. If you want to try this yourself, there's a free plan, link in the description. And if this saved you some time, hit subscribe for more Amazon seller tutorials. See you in the next one.